Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your GMC Yukon's oil change light. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is on, but the engine is not running. You'll then need to find the information button, usually located on your steering wheel. Press this button repeatedly to cycle through the various display options until you find the oil life percentage. This initial step is crucial for accessing the reset function. Once you've turned on the ignition, keep pressing the information button until the oil life display appears on your dashboard. You'll see a percentage, for example, 15% or 20%, which indicates the remaining life of your engine oil. This display is what we need to interact with to perform the reset. Make sure you're on this specific screen before proceeding to the next step. Now that you're on the oil life display, locate the Set/Reset button. This button is often found near the information button or on the dashboard. Press and hold this Set/Reset button for a few seconds. You'll notice the oil life percentage on the display will start to flash. This flashing indicates that the system is ready to be reset. Release the button as soon as it begins to flash. To finalize the reset, press and hold the Set/Reset button one more time. Keep holding it until the oil life display changes to 100%. This confirms that the system has been successfully reset. Once it shows 100%, you can release the button and turn off your vehicle's ignition to save the new setting. Don't forget to check the description for a link to a great book about money and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.